Ever wondered how to transform a plain wig into a stunning masterpiece with mesmerizing bombshell curls? In just a few simple steps, you will be turning heads and wondering if I'm a Hollywood star. First off, we're going to clip away the frontal part of the wig as we're going to first curl the back side of the wig. I work with 3 tracks of hair at a time while curling. Spray any heat protector of your choice and use any curling iron or tongue you have. I personally use a curling tongue. First, warm up a section of hair using a curling iron. Grip the hair with the clamp of the iron facing upward and turn both the curling iron and the hair backwards until the clamp of the iron faces upwards again. Instant replay right now. Start clapping downwards just like how I'm doing. Turn around both the hair and the curling iron again and start clapping downwards. Clap, clap, clap. Turn around. Clap, 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 clap. Turn around. Grab a section, repeat the same process. Always take your time, don't rush. And look at how tight this curl looks. Anyways, grab it gently and pin it down. Grabbing a section of hair, warm it up, grip the hair, turn around, clap, 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 clap downwards. Turn around, clap, clap, clap. Turn around, clap, clap, clap. Turn around. Hold for some seconds. Remove the curling iron. And pin it down. Once again, warm up the hair. Grip the hair, turn around. Clap going downwards. Turn arounds. Clap, clap, clap. Turn around. Clap, clap, clap. Turn around. And hold for some seconds. Remove the curling iron and pin down the curl. Do the same thing I've been doing earlier on and always pin down your curls after curling them. This is the time to visibly grasp this technique I'm using because it's very simple. When you're done with the back curls, we're going to spray with a holding spray of your choice. I'm using this one, and to be real with you guys, I don't even know what it's called. Anyways, this is how the back pin curls look like, so let's go to the frontal parts. We're going to first work on this side. As you can see, we hot comb the hair backwards. Then curl the hair the same way we have been curling. Please visibly grasp the concept because it's very easy for all of you to do. Now for the side part, I want you to be very attentive because the curling technique is about to switch up a little bit. If you remember earlier, we were gripping the hair while the clamp of the iron is facing upwards, then turning around both the hair and the curling iron backwards until the clamp of the iron faces upwards again. But for the side curls, we're going to curl in the opposite direction. Let me show you what I'm saying. Grip the hair while the clamp of the iron is facing downwards, then turn around both the hair and the iron forwards until the clamp of the iron faces upwards. Instant replay right now. Now clap clap, turn around going forwards until the clamp faces upwards. Clap clap clap. Turn around. And hold for some seconds. Remove the curling iron and pin down the curl. Doing the same thing, grip the hair, turn around, clap clap clap, turn around, clap clap clap, turn around and hold for some seconds. Remove the iron and pin down the curl. After curling all the hair, spray with some holding spray. And baby, these curls are pinned down to perfection. Put a silky cap carefully to cover the curls and let them sit for an overnight or 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm now removing the bobby pins from the curls. Be slow but sure. Take your time, don't rush. These curls turned out amazing, gorgeous, beautiful, irresistible. And for the bang baby, it's given Cardi B. Ew. This will turn you into a celebrity, and if you want to be one, you better subscribe.